Hello,
Yes,
how are you today?
good.
My name is Teacher Marie. What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Tom, how old are you?
I'm Matt.
Now, today we're going to have a speaking test. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look at the pictures. Okay, there are two pictures, and they look the same, but some things are different. Can you tell me how picture 1 is different from picture 2?
Picture one, the bear is big. In picture two, the bear is small. In picture one, there are two rainbows. In picture two, there is one rainbow. In picture one, the bird is flying. In picture two, the bird is standing on the tree. In picture one,
The word is
fly.
wow. The word is okay. The word is
Flying.
again
Fly.
flying. Okay, fly or flying?
Flying.
Flying, right? Okay, next. In picture 4. I'm sorry, in picture 4. In picture 1, the bird is flying, but in picture 2, the bird is standing on the
Tree.
okay.
In picture one, the block is on the land, but in picture two, there is a big block on the land.
It isn't a big rock on the land. Okay. Now, Tom. Here there are there are 4 pictures. And each picture tells a story. Each picture tells a story. And this story is called Fred and the Tiger. Now, you tell me the story.
One day, Fred and Dad are watching a film about tiger in the living room. Next, Fred is in the bedroom. He is dreaming about a tiger. Then he is scary because he can see two eyes out in the dark. He sat tired. Finally, that he opened the door. The cat jumped onto the bed. Fred and Dad are laughing.
Now, Tom, let's move on to the other one out. There are 4 sets of pictures, set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. And each set has one different picture. Can you tell me which one is different in each set and why?
In set one, picture two is different because the book is painting bird, the lemon, the pineapple, the orange are fruit. In set two, picture one is different because the boy is running. In set but in picture one, two, three, four, they are dancing. In set three, picture two is different because the music is a dream. First, the ice cream, the pancake, the pasta are food. In set for picture four is different because the clock is half a number, but the CD, the table,
The mirror. It's a mirror.
the mirror,
Don't have
don't have a number.
don't have numbers. Okay. Now, Tom, about your English lessons. What day do you have your English lessons?
Thursday in the center.
Okay. Okay, so do you usually have your English lessons at the center? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is English difficult or easy?
Easy.
Tell me about your English teacher.
Miss me teacher Mary and teacher John.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
John.